I got the juice like a snow cone. Ice in my veins and a cold flow. I'm getting cash overseas by the boatload. You wanna ride my wave? That's a no-go.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my voice and my channel. This is the review of the Moto Watchfaces that you can install on any Android Wear OS device. Click the card above for the installation guide. Alright, the first one is called Rotate. It's similar to the concentric face from Pixel Watch but has less moving parts and has a more lit AOD. You can choose the watch face background between black and white and its theme colors. Next up is World Clock. It's a pretty beautiful and simple watch face with 2 additional time zones. The third one is named Retrograde. It's different from the normal 360-degree watch faces because it uses half of it for hours and minutes and the other half is dedicated to seconds hand. And you can change the background color and theme colors as it suits you. Next one is called Refined. I like this one. It has a beautiful gradient with a large list of primary colors or background and secondary colors or accents. The seconds hand has its independent ring and it has some really elegant hands for hours and minutes too. The AOD in here looks brilliant as well. The fifth one on our list is called Roman. It gives the watch a classic antique look, and with proper color combinations, it would look great with a suit. It also has a beautiful always on display watch face with those Roman numerals and the watch hand. You can customize the theme colors as well. The sixth one is called Minimal. It doesn't have any complications to go with it and is just a simple but sleek looking watch face for everyday use, with customizable background colors and theme colors for the seconds hand. It also has a simple, supposedly battery efficient AOD watch face. Moving on to the 7th on our list, which is Dial's 2 watch face. This one has a lot of background color options from crimson to aubergine and many more fun named colors. You can select accents between silver, gold and rose gold. This one has 3 complications and I have set them up to show date, weather and the battery. Mind you, some widgets may not work with these watch faces and will require you to select the right alternative widget for displaying proper data. Next up is the digital watch face. As the name says, it displays the digital time with the seconds hand rotating around it. It also shows the date and the Motorola logo, and I like the minimalistic look of this watch face. Apart from the basic colors for the accents, you also have some gradient options to choose from. This orange purple one looks good and I'll choose that. The 9th one is named Index. It's similar to the minimal watch face, but it has a different style for the index. Apart from black and white, you can also choose from grey, navy and brown for the background. And you can choose a color from the variety of accents this watch face has. Now I think this watch face should be showing an activity goal inside the index, which you can see in the screenshot over here. But as I said, its widget provider won't work for steps and calories among other things. So this doesn't work. Let's check out the Blossoms watch face. It has a lot of floral backgrounds and a beautiful AOD watch face. And I'm sure this will be liked by the ladies. Now to my favorite one from Motorola watch faces, the Pascual. This one is fine in the white, but looks really amazing in the black background with red accent colors. It shows the date and time, and although it doesn't have any complications, it still looks absolutely gorgeous. It also has an equally amazing always on display to go with it, which only has the outer index, the time and the Moto logo. I love this one. Now this is the Dial's 1 watch face. The AOD in this looks pretty good. The seconds hand rotates inside the index, and you can choose between 4 cool looking background combinations and a lot of accent colors. It has 3 complications and they work well with WearOS 3 on the Galaxy Watch 4, and they are customizable. Coming to number 13, the classic watch face. You can choose between the black and white backgrounds, choose from a variety of accent colors, and this one has 2 index styles, the Arabic and the Roman. It looks good in the black and blue combination with Roman numerals, and it has a necklace-like AOD watch face. The 14th one is called Sport. It's supposed to have 4 complications, but only the seconds one works. The last one is called World Clock 2. It looks great in the black and gold accent, but you can choose between a variety of background colors, and you can have 2 additional time zones shown on the watch face. The AOD on this one looks great too. That's all for the Moto watch faces, but a little sneak peek for the next upcoming video. So subscribe to the channel to get a notification when I upload the fossil watch faces video. I think I'll be rocking the Pascual watch face tonight. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.